August 5th.
13.
Oh.
Just testing me?
August 13th. 1, 2, 3, red light. All right, we're going to our town. We're going to hook up with our friends, Amy and Bob. Bob and Amy, however you want to look at it. And we're going out for breakfast somewhere. This is about an hour away, so. What's the name of the place?
G&G.
G&G. They're supposed to have really big breakfasts. We'll find out. And our town is
Dead?
dead.
Well, it's only 9 o'clock, so.
9 o'clock in the morning. And the sidewalks are still rolled up.
Roll out the red carpet.
So stay tuned because we don't know where we're going. Blue is all gassed up, got a full belly. So we're good for a couple 100 miles.
Yeah.
All right, don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. All appreciated. And thank you for watching in advance.
Yeah.
And we're off. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with the GoPro screen. It comes on and off. So we'll just have to wing it. It says it's recording, but I don't have a...
Oh, yeah.
I will have to investigate. So we're off to breakfast. And we get some nice scenery. A lot of cornfields, of course.
Yeah.
But look at in the horizon. Big water tower. Yep, gonna be a good day. What do I got for a temperature on the bike? 72. Look at that, we even have a table reserved for us. And it was a super duper breakfast. And we almost ate the whole thing. On super duper breakfast.
Absolutely.
Oh, was it G&G?
G&G in...
Wherever we are. Apollo?
No. Vanderdrift.
Okay, that's where we are.
Oh, Vanderdrift, sorry.
That was yummy. Thank you, Bob and Amy, for breakfast.
Absolutely.
This is nice, steep hill. We're on Route 66. We're coming up to 819. We haven't explored yet. You know, River Road or something.
Riverview?
Riverview, Pleasant View Church. It turned out to be a nice day. Yesterday we had tornado warnings and rains and
Tornadoes?
yep, thunder and lightning. Today it's a beautiful day. They must have had some bad weather down here because there's a lot of stuff in the roads, like gravel from the heavy rain. But today turned out beautiful. And we're out riding, enjoying, exploring,
Adventuring.
Adventuring. We shouldn't say exploring, we're adventuring now.
Yes.
And I'm glad you could come along adventuring with us.
We explore when we're by ourselves, but we adventure when we're with friends. How's that?
There we go. We don't know where we're going. That's why I like following instead of leading.
Right.
I get to enjoy things.
Yes. It is a drive-in. Ninja Turtles, Mutant Mayhem. Jesus.
They do have a lot of drive-in theaters out here. That's the VF.
That's a big VFW.
Wow.
Post 92.
I don't know where we are. Any idea what town?
No. We're on Wildlife Drive, Wildlife Lodge Drive.
Yep. And I hope we don't see any wildlife.
Well, if we do, it's going to stay on the other side of the guardrail, so.
We hope.
Yeah.
But it is a squiggly road. And we like squiggly roads. Okay, we're at the Woodpeckers.
Hobby Grub. Woodpeckers. Yes, we did see this place. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we stopped at Woodpeckers. A pretty neat little place.
It was very cool.
Yep. And I had my unsweetened iced tea.
Woo! And I had unsweetened Michelob Ultra. One and done.
Yep, that was yummy. What a beautiful day. I know I said that before, but sorry.
Because we don't ride on crappy days.
Whoop. I did what?
I said we don't ride on crappy days.
Oh, we'll get caught in it.
Yeah.
So on to the next. Because we don't know where we're going. We're just following the leader.
Yep.
Where is he taking us? Oh.
It's not that bumpy, baby.
Woo! There's the big smokestack right ahead of us. We've been there in one of our other videos. We went right by it. We were on the other side. And this is a wee hill. Whee! And we should be going over a little bridge pretty soon. Yep, there it is off the side. And a campground.
Yep.
Yuck. Sorry, that's not camping. Right in front of us, that thing is tall.
Very.
And this is a beautiful view. We got the Allegheny River on the left, along with the big tower.
That bridge you're talking about.
Oh yeah. There's the bridge. And we got jet skis playing and potty boats. Partying. With all the rain we had yesterday, the river is full.
Yeah, full. Muddy.
And a little dirty because it stirs up. The water turns it all up.
Don't do it.
Don't do it! No!
Don't jump, please.
Oh well. Wee-hee! There's a good view. We had a good day riding.
Absolutely.
What do I got? 128 miles so far. And the corn is almost ready. It is a beautiful day. Acres and acres. And more on the other side.
Yeah, it's never ending.
Wow.
That's awesome.
That's a beautiful view. Soybean.
Hey, the cows, they're big.
Holy cow. Oh,
Split up now.
cows.
Split up now. There's enough to go around.
That's a nice view. And this view to the left. Nice. Oh, beautiful view to the right also, but it can't be everywhere.
It's a beautiful view everywhere.
Oh, we'll get some more.
No doubt.
Like right there. And
Oh, wow.
Madison Road. Absolutely. All right, we're almost home. Whee! Home, sweet home. Hi, babies. Hi, baby. All right, we're home. About 139 miles.
Cool.
Good ride, dear.
Absolutely.